first rates, Tuesday morning, we're starting the brand new day with a optimistic tick on the Bank Nifty. I mean, the Bank Nifty is on a tear. Between yesterday and today, the Bank Nifty has added 2,000 points. Yesterday it was SBI, and today I would imagine the same combination of SBI, Can Bank and BOB is going to continue. Bharat Airtel came out with numbers not that impressive. Numbers were not impressive at all, at least in my book. And Bharati Airtel, let's look at Airtel, 9.5 rupees low for Bharati Airtel. So, all this entire view that data is going to increase ARPUs for Bharati and Jio, that is completely getting challenged. Then you got a price action which is significantly better in the small and the mid cap space. Just look at the breadth. I mean, it reminds you of the kind of market what we saw in 2017 and 2018, where you just come in the morning, buy some stocks, and next morning you make money. That's the kind of merry-go-round business which has started in the small and the mid cap stocks. IT-Pharma is reacting to numbers. Later in the day, you got Tata Motors, the big one. A lot of action is concentrated in the HNI category, Ultra HNI category. Rakesh Jhunjhunwala has bought a big position in Tata Motors, public information. There are a lot of funds who are also adding into Tata Motors. So for me, I think that's the big day, that's the big earning. So Bharti is disappointed. Tata Motors is running ahead of numbers, and the real chunky price action now is shifted towards PSU banks along with SBI, Can Bank and BOP. Abha.
Nikunj, SBI is up and away again today. And also we've got Tata Motors, that's going to be the other point of focus ahead of numbers. We've got ICICI also looking good, 1.5% there, HDFC Bank, ITC, Wipro, Tata Steel, some of the other heavyweights. But it's the banks again, IndusInd again another 2.5%. Sale is up 3.5%. Then we've got other stocks like a Shilpa Medicare, 7-8% on that one on opening today. So that's looking interesting. And a couple of the other metal names like Nalco, for instance. The PSU banking names, as you said, still continue to ride high. Those are continue to move up. Federal Bank is earnings impact, so 3.5% high on that one. Gland also earnings impact as anticipated, up about 5% on the Gland. NMDC again from the metal and mining pack. We've got other smaller names as well. Bandhan is moving higher in trade this morning. Orient Cement is seeing a 5% uptick as well. We've got a couple of those names standing out as well. And then again, Hindalco, RBL bringing up the list when it comes to financials and metals. So those are clearly the two themes that are playing out in early morning trade.